All right. Yo tengo un presentación. Where we at? Got a presentation on quality of life and population density presented by Quentin S. Webb for Sustainable Cities. All right. So I chose 6 random nations. I mean, not totally random, like just different areas of the globe. And wanted to get statistics regarding population in urban areas as well as the HDI value within these given countries. So we have 6 different countries here. 1 is the Bahamas, 2, Denmark, 3, Greece. We also have India, Romania, and the United Kingdom. Starting off with the Bahamas, the population in urban areas for the Bahamas is 83%, and the HDI value is 0.820. For Denmark, the population in urban areas is 88%. So 80% of the population lives in urban areas. The HDI value is 0.962. In Greece, the population in urban areas is 79%, and its HDI value is 0.908. For India, the population in urban areas is 34%. Whoa, that's a little low. HDI value is 0.685. So a little lower on both metrics there. Quite a bit lower. 5, Romania. Population in urban areas is 54%. HDI value is 0.845. And finally, the United Kingdom. The population in urban areas is 83%, and the HDI value is 0.946. So, although there is a limited sample from the data extracted, it seems that population density in urban environments is proportional to the degree of change in HDI, or Human Development Insights. This makes sense because as populations move into urban areas, a number measured on a national scale derived by the Census Bureau, the human development synonymously increases since the CDI, or City Development Index, is taken directly from those urban areas people move to, causing the positive correlation depicted by the data shown. As discussed in one of the investigation activities we did earlier, it would be much more effective to implement policy on a national scale, since cities are all under the blanket of similar rules and regulations established by each individual country, i.e. federal laws and regulations. Each city is very similar in the way it conducts itself overall. However, when it comes to comparing nations to other nations, the culture, policies, and economic interests of each nation vary significantly, causing each country to be much more unique when compared relative to cities within each nation, which appear to be much more similar. Implementing action on a national scale would affect all cities within the country, while policy focused on a specific city might inspire others to do the same or deter them, but it does not have an immediate effect on other cities like national policy would. It'd be much more gradual if it is adopted by other cities. And that's it. Thank you for your participation. I hope this data helped you learn something new. If you have any questions or feedback, I am glad to respond to any inquiries or additional information. Gracias, thank you, and ciao. We're done. All right, next thing.